We've come to Mintdale Engineering in Chesterfield to look at this Biglia machine behind me. Now, you wouldn't think to look at it, but it's in a tight little package, but this machine is 8 tons, which means there's a hell of a lot of material behind it. And it's also a slant bed lathe, but it's a 30 degree, which means it's a little bit more stable than maybe a 45 or a 60 degree slant bed lathes. Now, what Mintdale Engineering love about this machine is the fact that it's a twin spindle, but not just twin spindle, it's a twin turret as well, which means if you've got a twin spindle without the twin turret, it means that you've got one spindle waiting all the time for that cutting tool to come over and add some value to the part. Now, the fact it's twin spindle and twin turret means that you can get a lot more parts out the door quicker because you're cutting, it's almost like two machines, you're cutting twice rather than you're cutting once with one tool. It's got 12 tools on the turrets, which means that you can get a big mix of parts in. You look at the parts they're making it. I'm going to go and grab one. You've got loads of different parts. I mean, we'll talk about the fact this is square in a minute, but all these different operations, you've got little drill tapped holes, and you must know if you're a machinist, if you've got loads of different tapped holes, you need a drill of that size, a tap of that size, maybe even you're reaming it as well, and they've got chamfers in here, they're deburring it. There's loads of different tools you need, and you'll need a lot of tools on the turret to machine parts of this, and also they've got a brass part behind me, which I'll show you a little bit later. Now, what I love about the machine as well is the fact it's a FANUC control, so it's easy to use, easy to program, and those two turrets might seem a little bit daunting when you first look inside of them and think, oh my god, how do I program these two at the same time? But it's a twin channel, meaning you have two different programs, and you can have little syncing codes in each program to sync up the turrets. Once one turret's finished one thing, it'll wait for the other one to finish its machining. And then you can pass one part from one side to the other. There is no manual intervention, which means you can improve your productivity even on difficult parts like that square part I just showed you. I mean, you might look at a square part like that, if customer sends you a 2D drawing and think, oh my god, I'm going to have to stick it on a, we've got a couple of VMCs behind me, maybe 3 different VMC, 3 different op, 3 different sets of work holding, 3 different tooling packages. What a nightmare that would be. Instead, you can do all of those on one Biglia machine. They've got a bar feeder to the left of me, which feeds in extruded square aluminium bar, which I've seen some specialist machines that can do that, but this is on what you would consider kind of a more standard twin turret lathe. So these guys absolutely love the new Biglia, gives them loads of capacity, and it's completely automated. If you're worried about automation, there's in terms of running it lights out, there's a little air blower in the sub spindle, there's high pressure coolant to break away those chips, so you don't have to worry about automation. They run this all night, they absolutely love it.